back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2016 Ford F-150. This is an XLT Super Cab Eco Boost with a sport pack on her. She's got the console, got the big wheels, got the trailer tow pack, loaded up, ice cold air, upgraded back rack. Super nice body all the way around, folks, all aluminum. She drives out 110%, real nice rubber on her, and she's clean. This is no junk work truck, folks. This one is nice, been well maintained. It drives out 110%. She's ready to go, and she qualifies for guaranteed credit approval. This is going to be a $13.95 starting down payment on a 2016 Ford F-150 XLT Super Cruise Sport 4x4. DasCleveland.com. Do not hesitate.